Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your first message you sent on Instagram. So when you're having a conversation over on Instagram and you want to see the first message you've ever sent to that person, then here's how to do it. So all you need to do is from your profile, once you open Instagram, is you want to go to your home screen and you want to go to that message icon, of course, at that airplane icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you open any chat, it doesn't really matter which one, what you want to do is literally click right here at the top right corner of your screen. Here you have that Wi-Fi icon and your battery and those set remote options. So if you click right there, you can see that you immediately get sent over to the top of this conversation. Now this conversation right here is extremely short, but if you have thousands of messages, scrolling up takes a long time, and this method will work really easily, which will immediately send you to the top of that message, and then you will be able to see the first message you have ever sent to someone over on Instagram. So that's basically how you can do it. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.